red light, I'm just going to show you guys. So that's Boston Pizza. And then this is the St. John's Convention Center here in downtown St. John's. Yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys as much of St. John's as I can while I'm at red lights and stuff. Look at the blue sky. I haven't seen blue sky in days. Good morning, guys. So I decided to come up to Signal Hill just to show you guys up here. It is really windy, so I'm not going to be able to talk much once I get out of the vehicle because it's going to be really hard to hear what I'm saying. Jersey's in my, I got his leash in my hand. That there is Fort Amherst, I think that's how you pronounce it, and over there, way under, that's Cape Spear, and that's the most easterly point in North America. this is Cabot Tower. Like I said, there it is there. Sorry, it's really windy and cold. I'm just trying to hold on to my camera and everything without dropping it, and I have Jersey in my other hand. But it is extremely windy. Ooh, come on, Jersey. I just took a lot of videos and stuff like that of the different said earlier, that's the battery down that way, and there's loads of stories. You can actually Google them and stuff too about ferries here in Newfoundland. I also know that Ireland is huge for stories about ferries and ferries coming and taking people away and leading them off the trail and getting them lost and stuff like that. They're very mischievous people, or creatures. They're not people. But yeah, if you guys are interested in anything like that, this is a great place to learn about those type of stories and the history of Newfoundland. This right here, as I was showing earlier, that's Fort Amherst. Like I said, I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm not sure. Over there, see if I can point to it, that is Cape Spear. Cape Spear is the most easterly point in North America. As I was saying earlier, I don't know, like I said, if you can really hear me because the winds are so strong right now out here. I'm actually going to head back to the right now because it's freezing and the winds are extremely strong. I doubt you guys can really hear what I'm saying. Also, too, there's lots of walking trails here if you guys are interested. Some of them are moderate, some of them are really hard. So just come prepared with stuff and make sure you got your boots on because some of the cliffs are really steep. You liking it, Jersey? I'm back home again, guys. You should have seen how cold it was up there. It was ridiculous. My hands were that red. I actually had to sit in the car and wait a bit before I could actually drive again. Thanks to those who already subscribed. It's greatly appreciated. I also like to give a huge thank you to anyone who has been liking the videos. I noticed there are a few more likes on different videos and stuff that I've been taking this month, and that's great. It's good to know that you guys are liking them and stuff like that. Yeah, more to come, so stay tuned. Maybe I'll just start finishing off all my vlogs with me being in the rocking chair, just seeing how comfy and cozy it is, especially after a long day. Well, anyway, guys, enough of my rambling on. Have a good night, and oh, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, like I said, I'll see you tomorrow, and I hope you're enjoying these vlogs. I hope they're getting better, and they're not so, you know, dragged out or whatever, because I know the first ones where I was so nervous, they were kind of, you know, sorry. Again, my apologies on that. Like I said, I really do hope they're getting better. And that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow now. I'm done talking. I need to go to bed. I'm tired. Jersey's tired. Ryan's tired. Good night.